To add Figma to your Shopify store, you need to understand the basics of both platforms and how they integrate with each other. Figma is a design tool that allows you to create and prototype user interface designs, while Shopify is an e-commerce platform that enables you to create and manage your online store. First, you need to create a Figma account and a Shopify account if you do not already have them. Once you have your accounts set up, you can start designing your store in Figma. Figma has a range of templates and design tools that you can use to create a custom design for your store. Next, you need to export your Figma design as a CSS and HTML file. This will allow you to upload your design to your Shopify store. To do this, go to the Figma File menu and select Export, then choose the CSS and HTML option. Now you need to upload your design to your Shopify store. To do this, go to the Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Online Store section. From here, click on the Themes option and then click on the Upload Theme option. Select the CSS and HTML files that you exported from Figma and click Upload. After uploading your design, you need to customize it to fit your store. You can do this by adding your products and content to the design. You can also customize the layout and design elements to fit your brand. Best practices for adding Figma to your Shopify store include keeping your design simple and consistent with your brand. You should also test your design on different devices to ensure that it is responsive and works well on all platforms. Additionally, you should ensure that your design is accessible and follows web accessibility guidelines. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add Figma to your Shopify store and create a custom and professional-looking design for your online store. This will help to improve the user experience and increase sales and revenue for your business.